What is MOSFET? The MOSFET, which stands for Metal-Oxide-Semiconductor Field Effect Transistor, is a switch that allows or disallows current to pass through an electric circuit. If the CPU is requesting power, the MOSFET acts as an on switch and allows the power to travel through the power circuit. If the power circuit is in a discharge state, the MOSFET will then act as an off switch, stopping the current so the circuit can discharge the power in the system before additional current is allowed to pass through. If the MOSFET is in the on state, the current will then pass through to the next component of the circuit called the choke. A choke is an indicator that stores energy and regulates current. Choke coils help to prevent electromagnetic interference, that is EMI, and radio frequency interference, that is RFI, from the power supply from interfering with the power circuit. From the choke, the current then passes through a capacitor. The capacitor stores electricity and delivers it to the components requiring power, such as the CPU. So this